Dear kids, we already know O sound words. So, today we are going to do an activity of O sound words. Match the rhyming word. In this activity, you have to match the words with similar sounds. Let's start. R, O, B. Rob. So this is an ob sound word and we have to match this word with another ob sound word. Look at this side. Ox, fox. This is an ox sound word. Op, cop. This is an op sound word. Sob, sob. Yes, this is an ob sound word. So we will match rob, rob with sob, sob. Now, dog, dog. This is an og sound word. So we have to match this word with another og sound word. Ox, fox. This is an ox sound word. Op, cop. This is an op sound word. Fog, fog. Yes, this is an og sound word. Dog, dog. Fog, fog. Now look here. Box, box. This is an ox sound word. Fox, fox. This is also an ox sound word. So, we will match box, box with fox, fox. Now look here. Top, top. This is an op sound word. And here, cop, cop. This is also an op sound word. So we will match top, top with cop, cop. Thank you.